Welcome back to the Sovereign Ratio. We're actually going to do something a little bit different today, but it is still crypto related. We're going to watch the crypto influencer fight night at Karate Combat 44 between Ben Armstrong and Morelight. It was pretty entertaining. We're going to break it down and watch it together. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button, the like button, leave me a comment below, and let me know what influencer you'd like to see in a crypto fight night. Personally, I would have taken this fight any day of the week against Ben, but I'm not quite at that subscriber base yet to be considered for something like this. Alright, so I actually fell asleep last night at the first part of Karate Combat. I didn't make it all the way to the influencer part. Obviously, we know Ben Armstrong is Bitboy Crypto. I don't know who this Morelight guy is, but we're going to watch this and see what happens. Alright, looks like Ben is a 43% favorite and Morelight's a 57% favorite. On the panel here, we've got Cryptos R Us, George on the left, KSI from the Logan Paul show, and then Boss Rutan, who's a legendary fighter, and then I don't know who the dude on the right is, but there's our official announce team for Crypto Fight Night. Alright, here we go. Here's this Morelight guy. I think I saw him wearing like a Sonic the Hedgehog hat or something. I don't know what that's all about. But here, here comes Bitboy. I think we all know who Bitboy is. Look at him. He's trying to act all hard. Look at his face. Oh, and his robe looks like the old NWO wrestling robe.
He started boxing in October.
So how big are these dudes? All right, Morelight's 5'11" and 175. Pretty close to my size. Let's see how big Ben is. 5'10", 175. Dude, he looks... His overall physique, he looks like he's heavier than 175. There's no definition whatsoever, so I find that interesting. I thought he was like over 200 pounds. Alright, here we go. They're getting in the pit. Ben looking real tough with his his fresh Cassie tattoo. I am not a fan of Ben or anything that he's done in the last 6 months, but you gotta watch this.
He's got a blue belt. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not gonna speculate.
Alright, let's see how this goes. Touch gloves.
Yeah, with this blue corner thing. Oh wow. Oh, look at that.
Morelight is moving these.
Little jab in Ben's face. Ben, of course, taunting him. No guard whatsoever. Ben gets knocked down right off the jump with a left jab. Oh, big haymaker. Looks like it hit. Some body shots. Oh, he takes Morelight down. Oh, he's holding him, though. He's holding him. Oh, was he going to try a kick? Oh, just haymakers from Ben. There's no technique here whatsoever. He's got something to prove. This is a man on a mission here. He looks like such a tool. Oh, missed that one. Almost fell down. Grabbed Morelight, took him down with him. Trying to get in some cheap shots.
In the poetic words of Crypto Grady, let's go.
What's gonna happen now?
We've got about 40 seconds left in this opening round here, and there is no.
It's like they're a little hesitant. Oh, a couple more haymakers. No, I don't think anything really connected there. Oh, little jab at Ben's face. Oh, went for a front kick. Ben taunting him some more. Oh, big haymaker. That one did hit. Big clubbing overhand right.
Somebody put Jake Paul on alert.
This is hilarious. There's no technique here whatsoever.
We're down to 6 seconds. We're gonna go to a second round.
Ben is like the douchiest guy.
Let's go! Let's go! What do you guys think about that? I love it. He tried to.
All right, these rounds are pretty short, so we'll go into round two. They're only like 2 minutes long, and I think there's only supposed to be 2 of them. But if it's a split decision for the 2 rounds, then they go to a 3rd round. Here we go. Ben's got a little welt under his right eye.
My goodness, guys, who do you think took that first
Straight
round?
jab.
For sure.
Much there, another jab. Ben looking a little bit better, but he just took a big one there. Oh, right hook.
Better footwork.
Oh, Ben did a front kick, followed by a little right hook. Straight right hit. Oh, Ben's connecting a lot here. But I think he grabbed his arm. Ben's like grabbing his arm to control one of his arms so he can hit him.
Oh, Bitboy is fucking going. He's losing his mind.
Look at his eyes.
Talk about a project leader.
Ben's looking a little... Oh, took a body shot, though. He's looking a little bit better. Nice jab.
Starting to get to more light.
Kind of a weak body shot there, glancing. Ben's looking real tired, breathing real heavy. This Morelight dude's taking some punishment, though. It still looks good. For an influencer, I guess.
Come on, guys, it's legal.
Ben's locking up because he's so tired. He's taking big breaths. He is gassed.
This is not friendly.
Those punches don't have anything behind him at this point. No, that one kind of wild right there. That might have actually done damage if he wasn't so tired. Oh, that was a nice... I can't complain about that. That was a nice right. Of course, Morelight didn't do much to get out of it either. There's really no guard here. There's no protection. They're just a couple of dudes hitting each other. Ooh, that was a good straight right from Ben. This crazy little look there. He's so proud of himself. Look how proud of himself he is. Hey, I cheated on my wife. With my mistress. Abandoned my family. Scammed some people. But I'm gonna hit this guy in the face. Oh! They're trading blows here. There's not a lot behind them though, because they're so tired.
More like to take a punch. He took a lot of punches.
This is insane. I mean, with everything on the line, with the Sonic, Obama, Inu.
Crowd is cheering Uno Mas. One more round.
You gotta go with Mas.
Look, let's take a look at replays because there's actually some shots to the head to talk about.
Oh, here's some slow-mo. There's that big overhead right.
Holding the hand.
But he was holding it. Yeah, he was holding his hand. You can't do that. Just like a forearm to the back of the neck. That looked like a solid one. Well, there's not a lot of technique behind it. These guys are actually like landing some decent punches on each other.
Okay.
All right, final round.
Everything on the line. The winner of this round is going to take it. Ben Armstrong versus Matt Leddy in Influencer Fight Club.
Oh, this one's only a minute long. These guys are so tired. There's just nothing behind this stuff.
That's amazing.
Ben with a wild haymaker.
It's a literal sprint.
Kind of just throwing his weight around right now. There's no way. He's got to weigh more than 175.
Bitboy wants the Inu Sonic Obama token.
According to the tape, these guys weigh the same. There's no way. Ben is definitely teetering on obese. It connected, but there's just nothing behind it. He's gassed. Pay for effort, though. Look at his eyes.
13 seconds left. I think that Ben Armstrong is going to take it via
now they're just
right hands.
they're just fucking around right now. Oh, you got another one in there. And another one. Leave it all in the pit, Ben. I think in the first round, Morelight definitely won that round because of the knockdown, but honestly, Ben connected more everywhere else. That Morelight dude took a lot of hits. Take a look at it. Oh, he snuck one in there. Right there on the side of the face. There's a left. It was glancing though. Oh, another solid one from Ben. He's hitting him right here though. He's not actually connecting with his face. It's almost like the very bottom of his jawbone.
That was incredible, George.
That's what ISC about. These guys going all out.
Yeah.
Putting everything on the line.
Ben's sure he's won.
You're done, let's go. Oh, he thinks it's another round. He puts his mouthpiece in.
And winner by unanimous decision.
In the red corner.
Out of the red corner!
And Ben did win. I mean, he connected more hits. That's all there is to it.
Congratulations to Ben Armstrong. Sometimes you can have a little bit of fun with it, and
Oh, is
that's
that?
what we got from ISC.
Oh, that's J
I
Chains.
think you got something here, dude. I think you got something here. The crowd is on.
Is that Cassie in the hat? I bet that's Cassie in the hat right there.
Look at the comments. Look at the live feed.
No, the
Everyone's
feed's
talking
going
about this.
nuts.
Yeah.
Oh yeah? How did it go?
Nuts. There's as many people.
He's
in
got
right
like
now
half
as
of
there
the-
were for the main event.
Half of the former Bitboy Crypto crew there.
Wild. Dead serious. I'm dead serious. I'm not kidding. I'm dead serious.
Let's go ahead and get a word with Dean Thomas.
If you can speak.
Hey, Ben, first off, I think I speak for everybody in this building.
Look how tired he is. Man, he is gassed.
How's that make you feel?
God dang it.
It makes me feel real good. Fighter of the night represents Take-A-Com, Bitcoin, and WF.
Fuck Bitcoin.
Oh, he's
I know you notice you're very tired right now, and I apologize, but I got to get these questions out too. How does this feeling of winning a fight compare to other things that you've done in your life?
Well, it's the most important thing I've ever done. How to summon everything inside you didn't know you had. It's something that's up to all to do.
You had a tremendous amount of heart. I was very impressed with the amount of heart that you had. What was going through your mind in that last?
I don't really like the guy, and I don't like a lot of the decisions he's made over the last 6 months, and I don't necessarily think that he's great for crypto anymore. You know, I gotta tip my hat. He won the match fair and square. He beat the other guy, so good for Ben. This was different from my normal videos. I thought it'd be fun to do. Technically, it's part of crypto. So if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button, the like button, leave me a comment below. We'll see you in the next video for more charts and TA and crypto. And thanks for coming by. Safe trading.